Who's a cute boy? Oh, you say you're not a cute boy?
He makes one big sentence.
Clifford. Hi.
I mean,
Who's a good boy? Clifford.
Yeah, we have Minnow to show Jelly.
well, Clifford likes Jelly too. I'm not Clifford. I kind of like him sometimes. You want me to spread these out for you? Want to say hi to the bun buns? Huh? You can say hi. He doesn't seem happy with it. What's wrong? See, Jelly, are you going to come out? You're Sharon.
Hi, Clifford. He's just like, stare.
Yeah. He likes just staring into the camera.
Yeah, he really does.
Funny scratches.
Does anyone not like that?
I love it home. Of course, you know, when you're sleeping here. Especially Charlie.
Aw, good boy.
Got your stomach. Oh, yeah, lift the paw. Okay, we don't want you to stain yourself. Oh, here comes Lizzie. Yeah.
Hi, Clifford.
No, you want it to look exactly like this.
Okay, rest time again. Oh, you almost had it, Mickey. You running away with it? Take it out of her hat. Pull.